What are you on?
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm hanging in there.
Oh, you got to do better than just hanging in there. Life should be about more, right?
Should be.
All right. Yes, counsel.
Judge, my understanding is we're set for a probation status. I talked to probation this morning. It looks like Mr. Kitchen's probation was transferred to Taos County. One of the conditions was that he enroll in Veterans Court.
Mhm.
And it looks like he hasn't enrolled in Veterans Court. When I talked to him about it, and I think in conversation with probation, it looks like Mr. Ketchum has let me know that he doesn't qualify, or he's telling probation that he doesn't have any substance abuse problems. And so he doesn't want to give up his spot to a veteran who does need.
Check this out. The judge makes it clear that Veterans Treatment Court isn't just about substance abuse. It's also designed to provide mental health support. Now, the big question is this defendant really turning down help, or is he refusing because he truly believes he doesn't need it? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Program treatment. And I believe that's why we're here this morning, Judge.
All right. So here's the thing. We were here. I remember your case. You're supposed to be going to Veterans Treatment Court there.
But they didn't accept me into the program. I don't have a drug or alcohol problem. I've been very vehement with my former attorney who I fired due to malpractice.
No. So here's the thing. You're supposed to be in Veterans Treatment Court. That's where you're supposed to be. And Veterans Treatment Court is not necessarily 100% about drug addiction. Sometimes it's about mental health issues and other things, but that's where you're supposed to be. And I remember you, and we had a long conversation concerning this. Could I see his file, please? Yes. And we were here, and I said he would not be allowed to transfer to Austin unless he was monitored in court. And his attorney was here, and we went over these long hearings about his being transferred so there could be a smooth transition to Veterans Treatment Court in Austin.
Understand, Your Honor. And I spoke to the individuals over there, and they denied my entrance into the
Oh,
program.
I'm sure they will deny it if you say I don't have any problems.
Because I don't have.
And here's where the tension builds. The defendant keeps saying he's fine, but the court points out that rejecting treatment could block his transfer to Austin. It's that classic courtroom clash between personal pride and legal responsibility.
All right, so here's the thing. You're not going to be living in Austin.
Houston.
So he's not going to be living in Austin because those were the rules for in order for him to reside in Austin. And you come before me and then you go somewhere else. I don't have a drug problem. I don't have a mental health issue.
I never stated I don't have a mental health issue. I've been seeing the VA regularly.
Yeah. So he's supposed to be in the Veterans Treatment Court in Austin Council.
Sure.
That's where he's supposed to be. And if he's not going to be in that program then he's going to have to be here.
Okay.
For supervision. So it's up to him. That's the last choice he would have.
So the body's running fast for the social network. They all clear, and all the teenagers have done everything. And I've seen trying to get 55 to even speak and stuff like that.
I remember one of the conditions that was for
No authority over the control of them. So we go program on denying me the program. I can only be honest with them, and I've been honest with them. And they should not with program. We don't have any question. To go back to. So then how much longer do I have to go through this program, this next program? I'm trying to get on with my life. I've lost everything. I've lost my service animal. I've lost my home. I've lost my possessions. I have no family left.
Yeah,
I'm doing the best I can under circumstances that are waiting on my table.
All right. So I'll let you all discuss that. All right. Thank you. All right, counsel. Yes.
Judge, after confirming with my client, he's indicated to me that he's going to choose to remain in San Antonio and get monitored by probation. He's elected not to go back to Austin and participate in the Veterans Court program.
All right. State. This is Tyler Richard Paul Ketchum. And I don't believe we were here for a motion to revoke. It was just compliance. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So his conditions are going to be altered and amended to include a return to Bexar County. And he will be supervised here in Bexar County. And if you all can do an updated TAP evaluation. And also, see if Veterans Treatment Court here will accept him.
Okay.
All right. Is there anything else, counsel?
Not from defense counsel, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. So he has a motion to revoke.
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
But we're here to resolve that. Judge.
Okay. All right. The court is calling 2022 CR 6213 State versus Justin James Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Orlando Costa, North for defense.
And are you Mr. Justin James Gonzalez?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Justin James Gonzalez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 6213 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 20th, 2022 for a period of 7 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. We're here this morning on state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 16th day of July, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Justin James Gonzalez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
You plead to that, true or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and that is to deny the motion and alter and amend conditions to add safe P followed by safe P aftercare.
That is correct, Judge. We were here about 10 days ago. Mr. Gonzalez, at that time, we were going to go forward with this motion. He wanted to take that 10 days to allow me some more time to prepare because I had just been assigned that day. I met with him at the jail, and we discussed this case. My belief was that these violations, there were some issues, I think, improving, that he did participate in one of the classes, and we needed to get, payment to them to provide the certification of completion of one of those programs. He was in the process of enrolling in parenting class. He told me that, he had done 90 days cognitive with ISF, but he had not done a substance abuse track, and that he actually wanted treatment. And so it kind of took me aback because I didn't believe that's where we were at when I first met with him. He said, no, I want to be treated.
This is a breaking point. The judge puts it bluntly. Either accept treatment or be ready to spend years behind bars. There's no middle ground. If it were your call, what would you choose, rehab or hard time?
Treatment. He was very motivated for treatment. He was asking for 90 days substance abuse track. If not SATA, speaking with the state agreed that if they were going to make a recommendation, that it would be for safe P. Even knowing that that's a longer program, Mr. Gonzalez said, I want treatment. And so I believe he's motivated for treatment, and that wants to help get past any of these substance abuse issues that he has.
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice. You know yourself better than I do, better than probation does, better than your attorney does, right? But you're going to have to be 100% honest with yourself. You've been before me previously on a motion to revoke. So these are all your only choices. There's no other option. I can deny the motion. I'll alter and amend conditions to have him go to safety. I don't believe he's going to be accepted in felony drug court based upon his tattoos and their meaning. Or I can revoke you, and I'll revoke you and I'll sentence you to 7 years. Those are your two choices.
Safety.
All right. So the court would deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include Safe P and the aftercare program.
Yes, sir.
And upon release from Safe P and the aftercare program, he's going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, is there anything else?
Far as the pending case out of Comal County, you know what's going to happen?
I don't. It was a driving while license invalid.
Just because he'll be in limbo
About, yes.
until that case is resolved. So we can do the referrals, but
I don't believe it's been filed.
Well, if somebody could reach out to Comal County,
Okay.
I'm sure a driving while license suspended, maybe. They will take care of that.
Okay.
All right, so what we'll do is, Norma, recall this for the end of September, just to make sure that that case has been taken care of. If it hasn't, we'll need to do something, because otherwise he'll just be sitting at the jail.
Thanks.
All right, so we'll be back on September 29th. However, if that Comal case has been taken care of,
He's on bond, he says, on that particular case.
but still it's pending.
Yeah. Okay.
So if by September 29th that case has been taken care of, we won't have your hearing in this court. You'll just be waiting for a bed and safety. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.